Introducing Palmgren's 10-inch vertical wood and metal bandsaw, a compact yet powerful machine built for precision in your workshop. Whether you're a serious hobbyist or running light production, this Palmgren saw features a welded steel frame paired with a machined cast iron table surface, giving you the rigidity and stability you need for clean cuts. It comes standard with a rip fence assembly, miter gauge, and dust collection port, making it ready for everyday shop use. This Palmgren saw is designed within the throat capacity of 9.5 inches and a workable table size of 13 inches by 13 inches. You'll find more than enough room for many project cuts. Palmgren's 10-inch model is equipped with a 3/4 horsepower motor, and it uses a variable speed DC motor for blade speeds of 0 to 2,560 surface feet per minute. Palmgren listened and delivered. This 10-inch size hits a sweet spot, small enough to fit a busy shop or benchtop setup, yet large and capable enough to tackle many real-world cutting tasks. You get professional construction without the footprint and cost of the larger floor models. This Palmgren saw can do it all. For woodworking, it's ideal for cutting hardwoods, softwoods, even plastics and composites. The stable table and quality guides help you maintain accuracy and repeatability. For metal cutting, the 3 speeds let you dial in the right blade speed for different materials, a key advantage when switching between metals. Either way, the quick tensioning and easy blade tracking mean less downtime and more cutting. So whether you're labeling this your first serious vertical bandsaw or adding a high-quality compact machine to supplement your larger gear, Palmgren's 10-inch vertical saw is built to deliver. Palmgren, embrace the work.